Hello beauties! So I'm super excited to bring this tutorial to you because for like the first time ever in my YouTube career, I guess if you want to call it that, I actually am pretty happy with the makeup I did. Most of the time I'm so hypercritical and I'm like, I hate it, it's a mess, I hate it. And today I actually like how my makeup turned out, so I'm super excited to bring this video to you. So my inspiration today was Kim Kardashian at the Met Gala that just happened a few days ago. Kim K is stunning and I really loved her look. She had like the slicked back pony. My hair is like 7 different colors right now, so I apologize for that, but she has the slicked back pony, the beautiful smoky cat eye, very thin kind of long arched brow, and just like this beautiful matte skin. So I really was inspired by it. I really wanted to do the look and I'm extremely happy with how it turned out, so yay! And another thing about this look is it's super wearable, which I really love about it, but there are a lot of steps, so be prepared. This tutorial may be a little bit long, so grab a snack or whatever you need to and enjoy. Alright, let's get into it. First, I started with a primer all over my face. The next step is putting on concealer, and I'm putting that all over my troubled areas, but I'm also putting it all over my brow past my arch because I need to conceal my brow a little bit to get my brow shape. Then I'm just blending this all in. Okay, so next I'm gonna do my brows. Normally I always do my foundation first, but I really needed my brows to be a certain way and I didn't want the oiliness of the foundation to get in the way or for me to like rest my hand on my foundation and mess it all up. I'm using Deep Brow Pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I use a spoolie to clean up my brows first, but I'm going to do a pretty thin, pretty long brow, so I'm going way past the inner corner of my eye to really almost connect these brows to really accentuate how long they are. And I'm doing an arch and it has a very thin wing at the end of it. They're also extremely dark. Kim K has really dark brows. And once I'm happy with my shape, I'm gonna grab a dark eyebrow pencil and go over that just to darken it up and define it more. Then I'm grabbing a concealer and a tiny brush and just going around my brows to give them a very crisp, clean look. Then I can move on to my foundation. I'm using the Huda Beauty foundation and I'm just applying this all over my skin with a beauty blender. Next I'm going in with a cream bronzer. Now I'm going pretty high on my cheekbones and I am bringing it up towards my temple and down towards my jaw. Now I usually go towards my lips, but we're not doing this. We're making almost like a box shape because she has a very hollowed out cheekbone and I want to show that off. I am also going to put some bronzer around my chin and on my forehead to just give them more definition. When I'm done with this, I'm going to get a cream contour again and go over my nose and slim it down and define it. I think Kim K has a gorgeous nose, so I really was inspired to do a good job with this. Then I'm going to grab a nice neutral light blush and apply that under my cheekbones and going up a little higher. She's not wearing much blush, but you can tell she has a little bit on. Okay, then I get a concealer and I put that under my eyes. I put that on my forehead and my chin and I blend that out with a beauty blender. Then I get a setting powder and I put that under my eyes, on my forehead, chin, and underneath my cheekbones. And I just want to set everything, make it nice and bright. I'm going to wait about 3 minutes for that to set, and in the meantime I'm going to get a black eyeliner and line my upper and bottom waterlines. Once that setting powder has set, I'm going to get a big fluffy brush and just brush that all away. Next we're going to move on to the eyeshadow. First I'm going to get my Huda Beauty palette and use the shade Henna, which is like a warm clay color, and I am going to put that into my crease and I'm going to wing that out. I am then going to go in with the shade Bossy, which is a purple plum color, and put that in my outer part of my crease and blend that out as well. I'm constantly dragging this out to make like a more cat eye look. Once I like the shape of that, I'm going to use Black Truffle, which is a smoky black shade, and put that all over my lid to just right under my crease. Then I'm going to get a tiny brush and I'm gonna put the black shadow in my outer V and wing that out just slightly and blend it into my crease just so little. Then I'm gonna grab a little tiny brush and put this under my lower lash line to darken that up, and I'm going all the way into my inner corner with this. Next I grab a cream black eyeliner and I very lightly line my upper lash line, and I go into my lower waterline and line that as well. I then grab another black eyeliner and line my lower lash line all the way to the inner corners. Then I grab an eyelash curler and a mascara and I curl my lashes and apply mascara. I'm going to use these really beautiful full lashes and I'm going to put them on off screen. Then I'm going to grab a nice yellow white highlighter and put that under my brow bone and in my very inner corner on the upper lid to let some light into my eyes, because this is a very dark smoky look. Then I'm going to move on to my lips. Now she has almost this like 90s style where she does a very dark lip liner, so I am overlining my lips with this dark lip liner, and then to really get the full look I am using a lighter shade of this nude pink on my bottom lip and then using a darker mauve shade on my upper to just kind of give it this more plump, beautiful Kim K look. And that is all I did. So I hope you enjoyed this, and this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not, and comment if you want to see something else. Bye beauties, love you.